Hello everyone, this is Marco and welcome back to my channel. Today I am collaborating with Jurassic Adventures YouTube and we'll be showing you how we made the Hammond Collection Jurassic Park 3 replacement heads. Also, as soon as the video premiere ends, the STL files will be available to purchase from my Etsy store, so you can 3D print your own copy. Physical copies will be available too. The release date is to be determined and they will be available on Siratech's shop. Now, first things first, I would like to thank Jurassic Adventures YouTube for helping me out this time. As I am in between moving, I don't have my 3D printer with me. So he kindly helped me and 3D printed the parts and tested them for me until we got them right for everyone. He also recorded this footage for me to use of him assembling the parts and painting them too. So thanks so much. Another reason he's helping me out is because he has been able to acquire the Jurassic Park 3 Hammond Collection stuff that isn't available in the UK. So as you can see, he has removed all the parts that need replacing, and he has 3D printed the male version as well as the feet. The files you will be purchasing will have both the female and the male variants, as well as also including the feet in the same zip file for the same price as the first release. So there's a good deal for you. As you can see, he's assembling the parts together, making sure everything fits, and then he super glues the parts that need gluing together. All the files are already sized. All you have to do is just put the files in your slicing software and slice them and prepare them for printing, adding supports and such. Each print will be slightly different, probably depending on your settings, so the jaw might be a little bit slack. If it is, don't worry, just put a tiny dot of glue on it and move it about until it stiffens. I have released a full guide on how to disassemble the figure, and you can watch it by clicking on the link on the top right corner of the screen. Jurassic Adventures is an absolute wizard at color matching, so now you can enjoy him working his magic and color matching the pieces with the rest of the body. I also highly recommend you go and visit his channel, subscribe, and also watch his version of this video too, as he goes a lot more in depth into the painting aspect of this project. So here is the final result. I think it looks much better than before. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to get your files, the link is in the description. And I can't wait to see what you can create with these. Please share any pictures on social media and tag me, or use the hashtag MarcoMakesDinos. If you're in my Discord, you can add them to the Hammond correction server. And thanks so much for watching, and thank you Jurassic Adventures for everything. I would like to give a massive thank you to all of my Patreons. Seriously guys, your support really does mean the world to me, as it helps me do what I love for you. You help me buy materials, and most of all, you give me a helping hand with improving the quality of the content of my videos. Even if it's just a small donation, every little helps.